Hi everyone, CodeVideo Launch Day today, and I just quickly want to share a demo on how you can use our studio to make software educational content. So here we have basically two-sided studio. The left side is the actions, which control how your course is displayed here in the preview. So you can, click through the actions. It's completely event sourced, so you can time travel back and forth. I guess important to mention is everyone will see this demo. This is the default demo of how to use the print function in Python. So of course it's a very basic demo, but we log to the console and then we do a refactor where we assign a variable and we save the file here. So you'll notice we even have small minute details like a typical editor where you have an unsaved file and then you can save it. So and that action happens to be called editor save. And I believe this example also involves even a terminal. Yes, exactly. So we run the file, but you'll see currently how we do that now is you can set explicitly the output. We are working on plugins to get an actual terminal and environment and things like that. But for now, we're focusing purely on the step-by-step nature and the GUI of this. So why do we care? Why does anyone care about any of this? The advantage you have now with this framework mainly comes here with these exports. So once you've built your course, you can export your course to a variety of formats, and the formats are growing every day. So you can get the raw JSON, which actually would just be here, would be your JSON steps. We have Markdown export if you want to convert your course into a blog post, for example, or perhaps like a LaTeX type nice PDF booklet. We have GIF, we have zip, we have a HTML website, we have PDF. I can quickly show what that looks like. I need to sign in actually. 1 second. Let me just get through the rest of the exports. We have TSX, JSX component. You can even do PowerPoint, a series of PNGs, and video. Now, all of these have costs associated with them except for the JSON and Markdown. Those will be free and will always be free forever. But you'll notice we do have a get 50 tokens free button here. It'll prompt you to sign in, so I'll sign in. Don't need that. And there's a bit of a delay, but if you wait a few seconds, everyone should get 50 tokens on sign up. Everything looks pretty good for this lesson. And so I will export to video, which I assume will be everyone's favorite. I don't know. That's why I'm launching today. I've exhausted all my ideas, so I just really need to get feedback from everybody on where to take this framework. So yeah, cost is 10 tokens. So basically when you sign up, that's the equivalent of 5 videos. And we'll just click export here and we get some information. So basically how the backend works is we first generate all the audio steps, then we record the video with the audio. So we use a nice text-to-speech model for really lifelike description and audio. And yeah, so exactly, we generate all the audio, then we create the audio. It gives you a summary. In our case, this example has 35 actions with estimated length of a minute. So we'll just click OK here. And now basically what's happening in the back end right now, you can see we're still exporting. The audio is being generated. We should get a pop-up in a second explaining that the audio part is generated. Exactly. And so the audio is generated, so we can be sure, or we know now that the video is being generated. So shortly, I'll pop over to my email and we can see the MP4 download that we get. Okay, so I'm here in my email now. Got the email of the generation and we can just click here. And we can preview the video here. So let's see how it looks. It already looks quite similar to what we saw in the studio. So let's play it.
Let's learn how to use the print function in Python. First, let's make a Python file.
And yeah, so that's basically it. It'll go through the steps just like we've seen in our editor. And of course, as you modify, add steps, delete steps, this will always be reflected in the video because of the event source nature of the framework. So that's it. Happy to get feedback. Guys, I am toasted. I am toasted after building this. It's been like 2 to 3 weeks of just nonstop everything. But enjoy the studio, enjoy the framework, reach out if you want more tokens. I'm just happy to finally be launching this thing and starting to get feedback. So happy Friday, take care everyone, and until next time.